Alright guys, 2018 Ford Escape cabin filter replacement. Basically what you want to do is come down here. There are these little, they call them retainers. Just go ahead and, there's two of them, go ahead and unscrew these. Just pull them off actually, I think. Yeah, just pull them down and they should come off. Alright, save those. Go ahead and pull this down. Just gently pull this off of here. Geez, had to be a little rough with her right there. That's alright. And then over here is your door to your cabin filter. I know it's kind of weird to see because everything's black. You're gonna have to take this screw out right here. I believe it's a Torx. I'll get the right size. And then you just squeeze these tabs and pull it out after you get the screw out. So let's go ahead and get that out. Alright, so that little screw is technically it's a Torx and it's a T20, but you could use a T15 as well to get in there. T15 works, but a T20 is its actual size. So we'll go ahead and get that out. Alright. Don't disappear on me like my dad. Let's get this, set this aside, and then right here is the tab, so we'll pull these, and I'm gonna pull this out. Okay, pull this off, this can come down, and then there's our filter. You have to squeeze it down, pull it out. That's what she said. Okay, there we go. Alright. And then when you put your new one in, you'll kind of squeeze it and then push it in like that. My new one. Pay attention to the airflow. The arrow just is for the airflow. Go ahead and gently push this in here. I'm gonna have to use two hands, guys. It's gonna mess up the filter otherwise. Okay, using two hands, I got it lined up in there. Nissans are also like this from the side. And then Hondas and Toyotas are usually easily accessible through the glove box. I don't know why everyone just doesn't do it. Honda, Toyota does, but whatever. So we'll push that in. We gotta put our plate back on. Go like this because the screw hole goes on the bottom. So this will go up and lock in. They'll put the screw in. All right. And just put this back on. All right, and then these go back on. And that's it.